Okay everybody, how y'all doing? Welcome back to my channel. Today, my 7-port 2.0 USB came in today and I am excited. Now, the reason why I brought it, because my old USB port, my 10 USB port right here, which I had for 2011, yes, 10 years, finally, it still works. But the thing I don't like about it is my microphone and my webcam goes out. And I don't like that, especially when I'm shooting my videos, I'm doing my thing, and then all of a sudden my mic goes out. So I gotta stop and record. Okay, so this is 2.0 7-port USB port will do the trick. Yes. And let's go over the features. It has individual on and off power switch. Now that's good. So I can go ahead and plug each USB serial into the port, and I can go ahead and turn the switch on or which one I want to control. Now that's the option I like. It has multi 7-in-1 USB ports compatible with all Windows, Mac, Linux systems. I love that. Interface USB 2.0 compatible with USB 1.0, 1.1, so they are backwards compatible. Data transfer rate is at 1.5 megabytes per second, 12 megabytes per second, up to 48 megabytes per second, and that's good. Bus power limit current protection is 500 megaamps. Now it powers your webcam, USB game controller, USB flash drive, other peripheral devices such as your keyboard, mouse, and your camcorders, etc. Let's get into the unboxing. Alright. Alrighty. Fresh out the box. USBs to the port bottom, all 7 ports, with your on off switch to the top. USB connector, which is 2.0, or I could put in my 3.0, but I want to get the fast rate speeds from the 3.0. I just gonna be basic regular speeds, which it don't bother me. Great device to have. Just like I said, this is going to go ahead on and take control over my old 10-port USB port, which I had there for so many years. It did this thing. Like I said, I get tired of it going on and off, on and off, on and off. So now, this here device by Ifecco gives me the option to turn it on when I want to use it, turn it off when I don't. And I like that. Go ahead on and buy the product from Amazon. I'll be putting a link in the description below if you want to go ahead and have a 7-point USB port or for control all your devices instead of going to the back of your computer or going up top to the USB flash ports, the USB ports up front of your case. Mine's okay, but I know sometimes mine give me slow speeds, but this will work just fine because it's going to be plugged right into the back of the USB ports in the back. It's going to go ahead and give me the full data transfer rate I need, and it's going to go ahead and operate all my devices without shutting them off automatically. I can control what I want to use, and I can go ahead and control what I don't want to use. So that's a good thing about it. Go ahead on and give a big like to this video. Subscribe to my channel. I'll be putting the link in the description below if you want to go ahead and buy this product here. Thank y'all for watching, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.